As you can tell by the title, I am going to talk about putting yourself first so that your dreams can come true and you can live the life that you want. Putting yourself first is an essential step towards realizing your dreams. However, in today's world, it's easy to lose sight of that. Y'all know we do. We get so busy and we forget what our true plan is and what we really want to do, or we let other things distract us. And we put ourselves aside to take care of everyone else. So self-care and self-prioritization is not selfish at all. It is essential to grow. My story is my life was never really my life. My life was about my kids and my husband. For so long, for many years, I had a blended household of 6 kids, and you know that can be very busy with sports and everything else and work schedules. I put myself in the back seat. However, I was perfectly fine with it at the time. I felt like that was my duty and that's what I needed to do. But as my kids got older, I realized I didn't even know what I was good at anymore. I didn't know what I liked to do because my life was taking care of everybody else and working, to the point I didn't do anything for myself. So when I didn't have anything to do, I realized, I'm like, who am I? You know, what do I like to do for fun? I wasn't happy with myself. Before I knew it, 2 years passed. I had to go through this horrible but necessary process in order for me to wake up and chase my dreams again and do what I want to do to live the life that I wanted to live. Now, however, this does not have to be you, but it will be you if you don't take control of your life now. Now, don't get me wrong. I love being there for my family, but I truly feel like I could have been a better person had I took the time out for me. I feel like I would have took my health more serious and I wouldn't have struggled with anxiety so much. Anybody that has anxiety, you know what I'm talking about. I probably could have been happier had I done that instead of so uptight, moody, and because I forgot to take care of myself. I also would have showed up more if I felt better about myself and I didn't sit in my insecurities and the lies that we tell ourselves, like, oh, we're not good enough, oh, this is how you look, you shouldn't record this, or, you know, you would never be like them, because that just doesn't happen for everybody. You know, those lies that the devil loves for you to repeat over and over and over to yourself so that you will believe it. And then once you continue to tell yourself that and you believe it, it stops growth because you don't believe that you're capable of being somebody better. Like, can you imagine if you just take more time for yourself, dress to make yourself feel good, take the time to really feel better, feel good about yourself, give your mind, body, and soul just a rest sometimes, and say no to some people. Say no sometimes to really just refresh yourself so that you can be a better person, for you to be able to walk in your purpose. You have the energy, you're ready to take on the day because you made sure you made time for yourself. You're ready to get things done because you made sure you made yourself a priority. When you rest your mind, because sometimes we have so many things on our mind. There's times I'm just like, I gotta take a break. Like, I'm so overwhelmed and I have so many thoughts, I can't even think. Like, it's just like my body just shut down. Can you imagine if you take the time to rest and clear your head, how then you can finally get in line with your dreams and what you really want in your life. If this sounds like you, I just want to let you know that you still have time to change. You have time to put yourself first and make yourself a priority. Oh well, if you feel like you're the last person to do it, everybody's season is their season. And it's not selfish at all. You can chase your dreams and still be there for the people that you need to be there for. It's just that you need to take more time out and making yourself a priority. Put yourself in that list just like you put everybody else. Add yourself to it and take the time to take care of you, because you will be a much better person. That way you can build a better and more confident you. So start to take your life back and build the life of joy and peace. It'll be better for everybody in the long run. I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know Sometimes, you know, if you ever watched any of my other videos, I quit my 9 to 5. I'm working hard, and there's times I beat myself up because I started this so long ago, but I made everything else a priority, including my job, over myself and my dreams. And I just want to let you guys know that where you can change that. I'm not saying quit your job or anything like that. I'm just saying make sure you make time for the things that you want to make time for, and the things that will help you grow, improve your life tremendously. Because, you know, jobs are not always going to be there. Your kids, they're going to be there, but they're not always going to be in your house, you know. Your husband is going to be there, but he's going to want a happier you, and you don't want to look back later down the line and like, I didn't do nothing with my life. You know, you just don't want to do that. But just know that it's not too late. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you've seen multiple videos of mine and you haven't pressed that subscribe button yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Like the video. Please share if this sounds familiar and what you're doing to help yourself. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified of any upcoming videos. I will see you guys in my next video.